What to pack for a Gran Canaria vacation in January or winter? Planning a trip to Gran Canaria in January? Great choice! While the island is known for its year-round sunshine, it's always a good idea to be prepared for a bit of variation in weather. Here's a packing guide to help you make the most of your vacation. Essentials for sunny days. Swimsuit. Don't forget to pack your swimsuit. You'll want to take advantage of the warm weather and beautiful beaches. Shorts and t-shirts. Light and airy clothing is perfect for daytime activities. Sun hat and sunglasses. Protect yourself from the strong Canarian sun. Sunscreen, essential for a safe and enjoyable beach vacation. Layers for cooler evenings and breezy days. Lightweight jacket or sweatshirt. This is a must-have. A sweatshirt has been our absolute lifesaver on chilly evenings and even on the beach when it gets cloudy or windy. It's incredibly versatile and will keep you comfortable in various weather conditions. Long pants, perfect for evenings and for protecting your skin from the sun. Sweater, an extra layer for those cooler mornings or evenings. Additional tips. Comfortable walking shoes. You'll want to explore the island, so make sure your shoes are comfortable. Beach towel, essential for relaxing on the beach. Waterproof jacket, just in case you encounter a sudden shower. Why layers are key? Imagine this. You start your day with a refreshing swim in the ocean, feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin. As the day progresses, you might want to take a stroll along the Maspalomas dunes and enjoy the breathtaking views. As the sun begins to set, a gentle breeze might kick up, making a sweatshirt your new best friend. By packing layers, you can easily adapt to changing weather conditions and ensure you're always comfortable. Sample outfit ideas. For a beach day, swimsuit, shorts, sweatshirt, sunglasses and sandals. For an evening out, long pants, a t-shirt, a sweater, a lightweight jacket and comfortable shoes. For exploring the dunes, shorts, a t-shirt, a sweatshirt and sturdy sneakers or beach slippers. Remember, the key to packing for a January trip to Gran Canaria is to be prepared for a variety of weather conditions. By packing a mix of summer and fall clothing, you'll be able to enjoy all that the island has to offer. So grab your swimsuit, sunscreen and a cozy sweatshirt and get ready for an unforgettable adventure!